What are you doing, Calvin?
Hi, Papa.
Go. He's playing baseball with an acorn and a maraca. Good job.
Hey, Papa.
Ready, go. Get it. Run, 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 run. You gonna get the ball?
Mom?
Here's the ball. It's an acorn. Here's the ball. Oh, you're too funny. Baseball. Oh, strike. Go, go, go. Calvin, say bye-bye. Give me a kiss. It's right here. Did you lose your baseball? It's because it's so tiny. And your bat. Very good. Uh-huh. Daddy's not home yet. But he's gonna love this video. 1, 2, 3. Go! Strike! Go! Will you say bye-bye? Hey, Calvin. Bye-bye.